Vinyl windows have become a popular choice for Redmond homeowners thanks to their durability, energy efficiency, and low-maintenance design. Unlike wood, vinyl won't rot, warp, or peel, making it well-suited to Redmond's rainy seasons, cool winters, and mild summers. But even the most durable window material benefits from routine care. Proper cleaning and maintenance not only keep vinyl windows looking their best but also extend their lifespan and improve performance. Here's your complete, easy-to-follow guide to taking care of vinyl windows in your Redmond home. Gather the right supplies before you start cleaning. Vinyl windows doesn't require specialty products, just a few household basics. Using the right tools ensures a streak-free finish without damaging the frames or glass. You'll need soft microfiber cloths, a gentle household cleaner or mild soap, a vinegar and water solution for streak-free glass, a soft bristle brush, a handheld or hose vacuum, a non-abrasive sponge, silicone-based lubricant for moving parts. Avoid harsh chemicals like ammonia, bleach, or abrasive powders, which can damage the vinyl surface. Clean the window frames first. Start by cleaning the vinyl frames before wiping the glass. This prevents dirt from dripping onto freshly cleaned surfaces. Steps: wipe down the frames with a damp cloth to remove loose dirt. Mix warm water with mild detergent. Use a soft cloth or sponge to gently scrub the vinyl surface. Rinse with clean water and dry with a microfiber towel. For tougher grime or mold, common in damp Redmond weather, use a vinegar solution instead of harsh cleaners. Keep the tracks and sashes free of dirt and debris. Smooth operation is one of the biggest benefits of vinyl windows, but dirt buildup in the tracks can cause sticking, difficulty opening, or unnecessary wear. To clean tracks, open the window fully. Vacuum out dust, pollen, insects, and debris. Use a small brush to loosen stubborn particles. Wipe the track with a damp cloth and mild soap. Dry completely before closing the window. Apply a silicone-based lubricant to ensure smooth sliding or tilting. Avoid oil-based lubricants, which attract more dirt. Clean the glass for a crystal clear view. Redmond's rainfall and moisture can leave streaks or water spots on window glass. Regular cleaning helps maintain visibility and curb appeal. For streak-free results, mix equal parts vinegar and water or use a gentle glass cleaner. Spray onto the glass and wipe using a microfiber cloth in circular motions. Dry with a second clean cloth to remove streaks. Clean the exterior glass on a cloudy day to prevent premature drying. Be sure to lift or tilt the sashes if your windows allow. It makes cleaning both sides easier and safer. Inspect weather stripping for wear and tear. Weather stripping plays a major role in insulation and energy efficiency, especially during Redmond's colder months. If it becomes cracked or loose, your windows may allow drafts or condensation. Check for gaps or peeling edges, brittle or flattened sections, signs of moisture entering. Replace any damaged weather stripping immediately to maintain energy efficiency and protect your home from dampness. Look for condensation and address it quickly. Condensation on the inside of your vinyl windows isn't unusual during Redmond's cool mornings. However, persistent moisture between panes or around the frame could indicate a seal issue. Simple tips to reduce condensation: use exhaust fans in kitchens and bathrooms. Allow airflow by opening windows. Occasionally keep humidity levels in check. If condensation appears between panes, contact a window professional. This typically means the insulated glass unit has failed. Schedule periodic professional checkups. While vinyl windows are low maintenance, a professional inspection every few years helps ensure long-lasting efficiency. Experts can identify early signs of seal failure, frame shifting, or hardware issues. Keep your Redmond vinyl windows beautiful and efficient. With proper cleaning and simple upkeep, vinyl windows can last for decades while looking as new as the day they were installed. Redmond homeowners appreciate their low-maintenance nature, but a little care goes a long way. By following this guide, you'll maintain clear views, smooth operation, and excellent energy performance year-round. If your windows ever need repairs or upgrades, professionals in Redmond can help keep your home comfortable and efficient in every season.